Remember, we say everything that you've been taught about money is wrong. And I'm going to prove it to you. Okay. You earn $1. Okay. And what are you told to do with that dollar?
Put it in a good growth stock mutual plan, right?
And what percentage are you supposed to save?
10%.
10%. Okay. So you earn $1 and you have a mortgage. So out of that dollar that you're paying, 48 cents is going to go to the bank's benefit.
Yeah.
52 cents is going to go to your benefit. And you're going to save 10%. Now, the average American, volume-wise, pays what percentage of their net income to interest?
What, 34.5 cents?
34.5 cents. All right. So this is where people when we're out on the golf course and somebody says, Nick, what do you do? And you say, I free slaves. And they go, that's really funny. All right.
What do you mean?
Not laughing. I'm not laughing. It's funny that people will put up with it. But listen, so you earn $1, Nick. You got to give me 34.5 cents and you get to keep 10 to save. What does that make you?
Slave.
A slave. Because if you were my slave, okay, and you earn $1, whose dollar is it?
It's really yours.
It's mine. It's not yours. You own nothing. So if you earn $1, you got to give 34.5 cents to the banks. Whose slave are you? The banks. Okay. If that doesn't motivate you to want to be your own banker, I don't know what will.